Good afternoon, and we are just up in Ventas to Zafarraya, and this is on our kind of northern catchment boundary, but we've got ourselves a really nice townhouse. It's a corner spot, okay, which there's many advantages to. The size of the property, for one, is really quite impressive. Okay, so we've got brand new guttering in. It's all been repainted just in the last 6 months. We've got undercover parking here, automatic gate. Parking is the first, not one, but 2 spaces on the left-hand side, which I'll show you at the end. Basically, the other advantage is that this gives that much terrace extra to these 2 properties. Okay, so it's got extra large terrace. You've got mountain views from the back. 3 bedrooms upstairs, living on this level here with a big extra large terrace. Plus downstairs there's a large the double parking storeroom, and also like a second, possibly 4th bedroom as well. Okay, so it's really quite impressive. Things like features, like you've got the really nice kind of features from the developer, the brick walls, you've got the arch windows. Here, for example, with the main front porch area, we got really good solid door, I gotta say. This has all been redone, non-slip. You got wreckers in as well. Post box, there's your electric box as well. And actually, your view is really nice. Okay, this is the road that goes towards Alhama de Granada. Literally within 12-15 minutes you can be in Alhama de Granada. Plus you've got Zafarraya on the doorstep as well. Okay, so let's take a look through this lovely solid wood door with proper locks all the way from top to bottom. Okay, there's internal fuse box. Okay, so downstairs we're going to start off, I'm going to show you the parking area. Okay, so really nice marble staircase. Okay, this is where you're going to drive in. Let's get some lights on. So you got the auto door that comes down that slope there. Okay, it's all really nicely kept clean. This is done with the community, minimal charges on this. And here there's actually 2 spaces, 1 and 2. Okay, you've got 1 door. So what they did, there was essentially two doors, but they blocked in 1. So you've got 1 entrance door with understairs kind of storeroom. It's nice and cool in here, great for holding kind of food stores and tools and bits and pieces. Okay, but you got electric. And then here, this is essentially got a huge amount of space. At the moment, you got the window at the top there. You could put a suspended ceiling in here and a bit of floor tiles, and essentially you've got then a really big 4th bedroom. Okay, but it is all very nicely done. And I've got to say, this is the first kind of property that I've seen on this development, and I'm well impressed. Things like these are non-standard kind of marble tiles. Okay, again, 2-tone. It's a bit of thought's gone into it from the developer. The build quality is excellent. Okay, then you got so from the main door going into a really nice kind of open plan lounge diner, whereby, again, this is a big sofa. This you've got wood burner in. Okay, all the windows on this level have been upgraded. Okay, so you got UPVC, tilt and turn windows, and you've got a really nice view. Again, nothing can be built the other side. Nice open view. The other advantage of being on this corner plot is that window there, because all these other kind of mid-terrace townhouses will not have this amount of light coming in, and it does make a hell of a difference, I must say. Okay, so upgraded kitchen. So everything from extra units in here. Got granite tops, we've got dishwasher fitted. We've got, again, new window, extractor, ceramic hob, new oven, microwave. It's all in. Good size fridge freezer in there as well. Again, very nicely kind of appointed, great condition throughout this property, I've got to say. You will not believe the price when I tell you. Okay, this is the downstairs cloakroom. Okay, again, all the tiles I've noticed in the bathrooms just haven't really dated. Okay, they're not kind of obscure colours or kind of too in your face. And this is an extra whereby this has been glazed in. This was essentially like another porch, all been glazed in. You've got a large electric water heater there, and then you've got utility room services with sink, storage and washing machine. Okay, and then onto the main terrace. Okay, so you've got, I say, it's almost double the size. So normally it would be to here. You've got the extra space there, there's drainage, there's lighting. Here you get another aspect of the property itself. You see it's just been repainted there. It's a big oversized guttering in there that did cost some money to put in. And then also from here you get that view. Okay, so we're directly above the garage door essentially now. And that's the view you get. More open, more mountain views, as well as big storage here for your cushions and outdoor furniture. Plus you get the mountain view in the background. Okay, so this is a very, very interesting property, guys. Right, so now we're gonna finish upstairs where we've got our 3 bedrooms. You can just see through there. So it's nicely laid out. Kitchen could be opened up if you wanted to. It's not a problem at all. Again, lots of nice details, I've got to say. So here we've got like 2-tone door with frames. That goes throughout. All the bedrooms have the wardrobes. Okay, so you've got fitted wardrobes throughout on sliders. This is the main principal bedroom with fan. Again, upgraded tilt and turn patio door onto a balcony and the view. And then also an ensuite with shower and bath. Okay, so it's really all up together, literally. Okay, just to give you an idea, this location from the coast, you're looking at about a 40 minute drive. Okay, sorry, that's the view from the balcony that we have there. There's also parking, which is public parking outside. Okay, so you don't necessarily have to use the secure parking. Okay, so that's bedroom number 1. Then through into the general bathroom. Okay, so this has got heater in. It's, you know, got the nice arch window, full-size bath with overhead shower, toilet and bidet, sink, good size as well. And then bedroom number 2. Okay, this has got mountain views as well as fitted wardrobe. And I've got to say, the furniture in here as well is all high quality oak furniture, mainly, I would say, for the beds. Big leather sofas downstairs. At this price, this could be negotiated into a one-off deal. Okay, so this is the smaller twin room. Again, it's still got all the same services, fitted wardrobes and fans. And we're looking at a great property with Casa Geoffrey. Now, guys, the price of this property is 149,950 euros. Okay, that's to reflect the location. I think the build itself is fantastic. If you want further details, then please contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed via our website, villasolutions.net. Thank you.